In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Hubspot interface and utilize reports effectively. To get started first, head over to the Hubspot user guide. This will be your initial reference point, especially if you are new to HubSpot or need a refresher on its extensive offerings. Accessing the guide is as simple as ensuring you have internet access and going to the designated URL for the HubSpot user guide. Once you're there, click on the Reports section. This is where HubSpot houses all the analytics resources you might need. When you click on Reports, you're doing more than just opening a tab. You're opening a gateway to better insights into your operations, which can help inform smarter business decisions. This area will let you explore your data in depth and see the various metrics and performance indicators that are relevant to your specific needs. After clicking on Reports, you'll want to navigate to All Reports. This section acts like the library of your data communications. It contains all the reports that have been generated, offering you an opportunity to take a holistic view of everything your analytics team has to offer. It's a fantastic way to get a sense of the big picture before diving deeper into specifics. Next, focus your attention on the Custom Reports option. Custom reports in HubSpot are your canvas to tailor specific views that reflect your unique data priorities. Clicking on this option allows you to create and work with reports that are built precisely to answer the specific questions you have about your business operations. Customizing your reports can help you pinpoint and illuminate complex data stories that pre-built reports may not fully capture. After dealing with customizations, you might want to highlight some reports for easy future access. This brings us to our next step, the Favorites section. By clicking on this, you're essentially bookmarking reports that are critical to your current projects or consistently visited by your team. This feature is especially handy for keeping important data within arm's reach, without needing to sift through the entire database each time you log in. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate through HubSpot's extensive reporting features efficiently. Whether you're interested in tracking sales performance, customer engagement, or marketing effectiveness, these tools will provide valuable insights to guide your business strategy. Remember, the key to making the most of HubSpot's reporting tools is to explore, adjust, and frequently update your reports so that they remain relevant and aligned with your changing business needs and objectives. So, take some time to familiarize yourself with these features and see how they can enhance your daily operations. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering HubSpot and its powerful business tools.